What's up, everyone? This is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with another exciting Google Ads account case study. Now, why it's exciting is because not only it took us a long time, but it had various issues, including the website issues, including speed issues, including payment issues, and there were so many things, and took us a long time to get it back up and running. So without wasting any time, I'm going to show you few of the images from it, and then you guys have an idea on how long it took us and how difficult the procedure was. So first thing first, when we started working on the account, so we started with the appeal to the Google. We also have a dedicated manager because we are a Google partner company. So we discussed with them, and we mutually decided to apply for the appeal, and he stated that it will go on a priority basis. So when we applied for like second or third time, because we were doing apply on daily basis, so we got an email from Google, and let me show you that email. And here you can see that my staff got an email, and he forwarded to me that post checking your account, I want to inform you that you need to fill the form mentioned below for the unsuspension of the account. Our team has found some suspicious behavior in the payment activity of your account, and we have temporarily suspended your Google Ads account to help stop any unauthorized activity and to get your ads up and running. And then so they asked us a bit. Okay, so at that moment we had a sign of relief that it's a suspicious payment error, because whenever there's a suspicious payment error, it's quick and easy, and the accounts uh, can get back up and running in a very short span of time. So that was a procedure we thought that it's going to be very easy, but interestingly it didn't work the way we thought. And then I'm going to show you another screenshot over here. And the second was that the account isn't active. The first thing was that, and it took us like 2 weeks, and at that time we came to know that the account has been cancelled. Whenever an account is not being operated, then the account gets cancelled. So we sent this to our client, and our client was very angry. No, 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 it doesn't. It's not cancelled. You guys have to work on it. You guys are lazy. We had to listen a lot of things over there, but we requested them that you can just simply reactivate by clicking on the reactivate button, and the procedure is very easy. And or either you can go to your preferences and go over here and select the reactivation, but the client didn't wanted to get it reinstated, so which even caused another issue to us. And then we got this email that we have received your request, and we have finally started work on the account. And then they asked for the advertiser verification program as well, and there were like so many appeals, so many data, that it was actually a hassle for me and my team to work around in the account. And it took us like a lot of time to get it back up and running. We had to change on the website, we had to look on the UI UX speed, we had to go with the description, unique content, coding issues, blah blah. We did so many things, like we did not want to even left a single point which can cause cancellation. So we had go overview the account multiple times to ensure that we are fully compliant and there are no issues on any side of the account. And even then, we were doing apply daily appeals, daily stuff, because it's always a team effort. So I like to appreciate my team over here who was consistent, motivated, and we were even, one of our staff was constantly emailing them, one was constantly filling the form, and one was constantly on the call with them, like what's the issue. So it's a lot of time, we had to go put it on this stuff over there. And then I'm here, you can see that the account is still has it's showing as your account has been cancelled. And you can see over here that none of your ads are running, and the account is no more suspended. And if I go to the notifications, so you keep in mind, because we have multiple MCC, so you might have seen in another video regarding another MCC, and in this video you are seeing regarding another MCC. You can see over here that the notification is that your account is unsuspended and your account has been reactivated and is able to run ads again. I can even refresh it so you guys have an idea that I'm faking stuff. So let it be done the refresh stuff, and I can show you the the account is no more suspended, and you can see on the notification that your account is unsuspended and is able to run ads again. So yeah, this is another successful case study regarding Google Ads restoration and suspension. So in case if you need service regarding Google Ads management, audit, setup for Facebook ads, SEO, web development, landing page services, the details are in the description on how you can reach with us and work with us. Once again, thank you for watching this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And in case if you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.